not working too well. Okay, I was on number 10. I was telling you, everyone knows how to get the V to V radical, right? Now this one, you take a calculator and go 5, 12, divide by 2 for sure, because it's an even number. So that's 2 times 2, 56. Okay, and then divide that by 2 because it's an even number. Okay, my husband's calling me. This 2 times 1, 28, and then 128, let's divide that by 2, 64, 2 times 64. Oh, this is 8 times 8. Perfect. We can stop here because it's doubled, and once it's double like this, it's a perfect square. Oh, wow. You can stop. So our answer is 2, 2, and 8 to the first times 8 to the first, which is 16. So our answer is the V, so 16. Here's the radical 2 that we haven't used, so don't forget that. 16 radical 2. No, don't forget the this answer right here. Put the radical together, which is V, and put that on the outside like that. That's your final answer. Okay, y'all know the calculator doesn't help you, huh? Okay, here we go, and then on this one here, you do this one here, and that's X. There's 4 of them, so you get 2 groups, right? 2 groups. I hope you can do it in your mind. So it's x squared, no radical left. The radical will be with the 45 because it's not a perfect square. So it's 9 times 5, and this is 3 times 3. Okay, so 1 pair with radical 5, 3 to the first, radical 5x squared. That's your answer. That's an easy one. Same thing with number 12. P, nothing for P, so we have radical P. Let's leave room for the number. Okay, that's 9 times 8. That's 3 and 3. 8 is 2 times 4, which is 2 and 2. No soccer practice. Okay, so here are your answers, okay? So let's circle so you can see all the prime numbers. Here we go. These are not needed, okay? That can be confusing. Okay, so we got 1 groups of 3, 3 to the first, and 1 groups of 2, 2 to the first. Together we get 6. And I'll take a different color. 1 group of 3. Here we leave that left, so radical 2. Okay, so we got 6 radical 2. I hope that helps. Okay, so 72, same thing here. X squared is x, right? Because 1 x to the first and no radical left. Well, the radical goes for the 72 because it's not a perfect square. Oh no, not like that. 9 times 8. Then we have 72. Oh, here, it's 6 radical 2. Let's not do this. We already did it here. But if you don't know how to do it, again, it's 3, 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 2. So here's your answer. Okay, I'll write it all out for you so you can see 3, 3, that's 1. And then there's 3 of these. Okay, that's 1 of them. Leave a radical 2 here. So radical 2 is inside. And your answer, I don't know why it's, oh my gosh, this sucks. Okay, And then this is 3 times this 2. 3 to the first times 2 to the first, which is 6. 6x square root of 2. Okay, now this again. This is negative 8 times whatever this answer is. Square root of 36 is 6 times 6. We can stop because 6 to the first. And b, there's no pair, so it's radical b right there. So you get negative 48 radical b. Okay, number 15. 3 times, and then this is our answer, 18. 3 times 6. 3 times 2. So 3, if you need to write it out, 1 pairs of 3, so 3 to the first, that gets a radical 2. Okay, so you have a radical, the radical 2 for here, and these 2 makes 9. Okay, same thing for 16. Come on. V, that's 7 times. Let me write it lower so it's not all 7 times, and that's 5 times 25. V 5, and this is 5 from here, so 1, so you get 5 to the first, and then v to the first, because 1 pair, radical v. These 2 we can multiply together to get 35, and then v radical 5, okay? So same thing for this number here, times, so that's negative 3 times, 24 is 8, you can do 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, so this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, not these, and you got the v left inside. There's only 1 v, so you got 1 pair, multiply these together. 2 to the first, this all gets in there, radical 6v, negative 6v, right there. Here, 100, okay, that's 10 and 10. 7 times 10 times 10, which is 100. Stop there, don't go further because you got pair, 10 to the first. R is r to the first with the radical r here. Radical r. 10 times 7 is 70 with this r to the first, or just r radical 2. Okay, I hope this helps. I'm going to leave. Okay, I'm going to do this one here. It's 8 times this one. 8 times 8. We can stop because we pair 8 to the first. M, we got 4 of them. I mean m to the second. There's no radical left, so the answer has no radical. 8 times 8 is 64m squared. Okay, and here same. It's negative 4. And this is 2 times 6, 2 times 3, so times 2 to the 1. This is radical 3. X times x, 1 pair, x to the first, you got negative 8, x radical 3. Okay, and same thing here. So you should be able to finish the rest. Thank God.